James Kaufman, World News Report today. Hayli Gubbi is a shield volcano in the Afar region of Ethiopia. It blew big time today. Actually, yesterday. We have video of it exploding from the ground level and from space, which is absolutely amazing. It is the southernmost volcano in the Hayli range. It hasn't erupted in 8,000 to 10,000 years. They thought it was dormant, but I guess there's no such thing. It erupted again November 23rd, 2025. This is the first known eruption of Hayli Gubbi in recorded history. We had an ash plume go up to around 45,000 feet, seen here. Unbelievable. Volcanoes believe that there's heavy magma movement, and the only warning they had was a 4.7 magnitude earthquake that occurred just hours before the eruption, i.e. magma moving under it. It sits over a large deposit of magma. Experts believe that there's a massive magma dam deep beneath the Hayli volcanic system, and the channeled magma actually ends at Hayli Gubbi, again being the southernmost volcano in the Hayli system. Again, they do not know the cause, but they see rapid pressurization within the whole system. So we could expect additional eruptions from other volcanoes in that system. Hayli Gubbi has a graben, a downdrop block of the Earth's crust at its summit. Within the graben is a symmetrical scoria cone with a 200-meter wide crater. I did just show you that. Now, they did see steam plume from this volcano in 2002, and that's pretty much what I have from ground level. The volcano is situated again in the Eastern African Rift System, a region with active volcano and tectonic movements. Due to its remote location, geological studies are very limited, and past eruptions are unknown. It was actually marked as and thought to be dormant before today's eruption. So we did see some geological events occur with the planetary lineup that I mentioned. We did have 3 volcanoes that haven't erupted in decades, and this one in about 10,000 years, pop off right around the time of the planetary alignment, which I'll show you real quickly right now. This is not a good sign. This is a sign of an uptick in overall volcanic activity around the globe. And I think that this quote-unquote cycle is just about over. Now, we talked about this perfect lineup, but it really occurred on the 21st here. You can see the perfect lineup here. And there's a geomagnetic connection to Sirius, Iris, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, and Jupiter. It actually popped off here 48 hours after the perfect lineup. So my window was incorrect. We did have one volcano in Indonesia pop off that hasn't popped off in decades, right on the 21st. And I'd have to examine, but there's definitely an earthquake uptick going on right now. And I don't know if it has to do with this planetary alignment here. It just turned to the 24th about 10 minutes ago. I thought I'd let y'all check this explosion out in Ethiopia. Actually, one of our subscribers talked about it on the live, and we should all appreciate that and give it its, well, newsworthiness. So there you go, folks. There was a planetary alignment. This could be associated with that. Definitely put pressure on the volcanoes. I was expecting more of a solar event or an earthquake event, and we saw volcanoes on the uptick. With that said, God bless. Please share and subscribe. Always remember that anything's possible in Bizarro World.